So today I'm reviewing this gift that you can give to friends, and it says good friends are like stars and you don't always see them, but you know they're always there. It's pretty nice glass. I really like how it's in a mason jar and you can see inside here, but it has like a coating here so you can't see inside it. And you open it up and it actually lights up. You just need some batteries, which I'll put in here. But look, it comes with a thing and then you can take it out, put batteries, and it lights up, which is really cute. And so I'm going to show you guys real quick how that looks and I'll be right back. So I just turned it on and it requires two AAA batteries. It's really easy to put on as well, and this is what's inside. So you can like untie it if you wish to. But overall, this is how it looks, and it's honestly really cute. And if you want like if you don't even want the lights, you can even make a candle out of it as well. So definitely do recommend this as a gift.